Hi guys, we're gonna do the Omanui trap. Yeah. This is already nice. And I am dead. After our 4-hour hike, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the other one? Cyclone by Anu. It's supposed to come tonight, and
I don't know who that is. That is a goat. She's the one that wrote on her face. And Serena.
hi guys, we're gonna do the Omanui trap. I'm with Max.
Hi guys, welcome to her vlog.
Welcome to the Easter vlog.
Happy Easter.
Yes, and this is where we're going.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Dude, we're like fully prepped.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, this is us before the hike. Watch out for when we come back.
We like have been here.
Really?
Are we going on the Gibbons one?
I think this is the only one. Is it?
I think that's all Mama one.
My brother did say that in the 4 hours.
We haven't even started yet and the stairs are here.
This is already nice.
Yeah.
Bruh.
More stairs.
Yep.
I don't know. Guys, regrets.
If we end up doing the signal house track, we can go to the caves.
We're like less than 10 minutes in and I am dead.
Oh, that's so nice.
Look at that! You know why I
Beautiful.
thought this wasn't where we went?
Why?
It was so nice to be on the boat.
Yeah. Say hi. We decided to take a detour because we weren't ready for the 4 hours. No. But this is nice. Oh my god.
What the heck?
So pretty.
This is all free.
Yeah.
Free by the way.
We're going to the lighthouse. Oh! Made it.
It's probably the Tasman.
After our 4-hour hike, guys.
4-hour hike.
4-hour hike.
Oh wow. It's jiggling.
Wow.
Yeah.
Brunch with Shanna. Where's my Easter egg?
Bruh.
This is what I'm having for dinner. I'm having some dumplings and then my congee oats with eggs. Yum. Go check there. Go check there. Look for it. No, it's here somewhere. Look, look, look. Okay, where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's your other bunny? Where's your Easter egg? And then where's the last one? Last one. Okay, go. Go that way, go that way. No, go the other way, other way. Happy Easter Monday. I'm having breakfast. This is my iced coffee and my oats, my congee oats. Oh my god, it's so good. I've been having it for breakfast and dinner because I am obsessed. And the egg, just perfectly soft. So getting my protein in. Yay.
Did you enjoy that? Very good. Oh. Yeah.
Who's that? Bella. Hi guys, it's currently Saturday evening and Cyclone Vaianu is due to make, what do you call this, like supposed to come tonight, and I'm feeling like I want to make my snack, so let's go make it. I bought vegetable chopper just for this and it's called cowboy caviar, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make that because I'm hungry. Okay, I just had to make sure to wash the chopper because it is quite new and you just never know if it's clean or not, so make sure you do that. And I'm just gonna prep the vegetables that's going into the cowboy caviar. we're going to Isabel's favorite
restaurant. Yeah.
What are we gonna order? You know, it's the chicken for sure.
Chicken.
We can do one of these ones,
Yeah.
and then one of the noodles,
Oh,
and then
yeah.
one of the dumplings, and then share it.
Yeah.
I should have brought my mic, but I didn't bring my mic.
Hello.
Hi guys, we're at the Golden Castle with Isabel.
Yep.
She's got her own camera set up too. We're gonna be food reviewers. Okay.
Yummy.
Vinegar.
Also, when you like make videos, do you just film one whole thing, or do you like make it into clips? Like, should I cut just?
Oh no, just do it. And then like, I also like, so when you start and stuff, like
Yeah.
I'll only choose like 10 seconds of a clip, you know?
Yeah.
And I just do it all on my iPad.
My iPad. That is kind of a high angle. Why is that so high?
That was fine.
That's alright. Yummy.
So the bowl is for the noodles. I'm gonna get a red.
Soupy. Yum. Oh, I miss this so much. This is my favorite.
It's so good there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be big bangs.
Wait, isn't it like the youngest person has to serve?
I have no idea.
Oh, you don't know about that? Okay. Never mind.
I also have like a view on support of you making TikToks.
Right, dancing TikToks?
Actually. Actually though.
That reaction was crazy. No. Obviously not. The first dish has arrived.
The first dish has arrived and it's the chicken.
Chicken. Yum. Ooh. I haven't had this in ages.
It's perfect. Did you get a good like?
No.
Oh, go for it. Spicy.
Yeah, but also really hot. Yum. This shit is so good.
So good. Oh my god, that's perfect.
Wait.
Ready?
Hold one.
Hold one.
Oh yeah, sorry. This is
I know. I'll mix it first.
mixy poo. Yeah, mix that shit, girl. You better fuck that shit. Cut them bitches out of your life. Cut them ties. Cut those spiritual ties. Oh my god, this is not straight. It's crooked. Thank you. Yeah. But only big. Big bag. You watch Euphoria? Purr.
Girl, what did you do? ikea.
ikea. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, shit. ikea. She's so cute.
Is it me or does it smell like
It's him. It's his ass that stinks. Just kidding.
Do you want the house?
I just want you to come inside. Ooh.
Do you want there? Welcome. Wells crib, right?
And this is a picture of the evil house. Can you see the monster?
Why do you have it? Let's go! Welcome to the house tour. Do you want a house
Oh, or do I want a cool one? No, I just need one.
Yeah, you just need like a simple one. Unless you wanna like,
No, just fucking toilet.
yeah. No one's gonna.
No one's gonna be like, oh my god, can I use it?
I love your toilet. We're making progress. We're on the lampshade side. Which one is it? What is it? Oh, cute.
So there's that one and circle.
She said a whole new world. 1,000 place I never knew about when I'm way up here.
It's crystal clear. Let me share this whole new world with you.
And, do you need a clock in your house?
No.
Do you need to
Do you need a
clock?
closet in your house? In your house.
She's got some tea that she needs to clock in her house.
In her house. In her apartment.
Her portlet. What the fuck? Candelabra from Beauty. From Beauty and the Beast. Beauty from the East. Beauty from the...
What if I did get this? Me and my puppy. Why is her leg tied like this? Do you want the house tour? I can take you to the first, second, third floor.
we're looking for my chair. It's in aisle 11, lock 11. Kire? No, it's not that one. Oh, is it?
Yeah, here. Is that the one that you're looking at?
Yeah. Is it though?
She ain't even in the damn box. Yeah, she's just a stool. She's a
Kerber.
Do you want the stool toy?
Is it just one of one?
Yeah.
You got it.
Lamp. We finally got this flower lamp. I'm so excited. I don't know if I can put it up on the wall. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I got a bin for the bathroom. I got a toothbrush. Just kidding. I got a toilet brush.
He needs to pop.
My toilet is currently blocked. It's not. No, it's not. It's not. Some hooks.
Did you get that hole?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, somewhere there. Fado. This is a lamp.
You have a slide.
Oh, okay. And then light bulbs for the lamp. And that's it. Oh,
And you got a
purse. And my and my dish rack, which God, I'm to be honest not sure about that. I'm gonna leave it. Hide it on the shelf. Put that bitch in the trash. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Holy shit. And Serena. No. Got a
Now we're sitting
stove.
and waiting because we're buying something for my sister, but they need to get food.
And that is it for the haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Cut the busted door.
Oh fuck, I need to put so bad. Oh my god.
Okay, we gotta go.
Hello. We're at what is this place?
Aroma desserts.
We waited in line for 35 minutes. Just kidding, we didn't.
Don't
Yummy! Who wants to eat it?
Can you do it?
Where's my bingsu?
Can you watch one of her
Someone
videos? and
translate.
one of her videos?
Yeah, I need to like find one. Wait. Put one up right now. We're about to do it right now.
You're actually gonna watch a live stream of someone.
She talks so fast. Can you play it in like 0.5 speed?
I don't know.
I don't know. The sweet potatoes, crispy curl, not overpowering at all. She just sounds weird. A lot of drinks, fried chicken. That is not the Nabella that I know. I don't know who that is. That is a ghost. That is a ghost of Nabella. She's the one that wrote on her face fat pig, right? Who's that? Get out. Wait, I can't believe that's her.
Who is that?
Who is that?
It's her pockets of
That's
peace.
her. Ooh, run the wall. Oh, wait.
I'll do it. Do you want to taste it without the...
Yeah. Warm spoon. Feels like it's been inside someone's palm. This is really delicious. Oh my god.
It's a bit bitter. But I think that's
Bitter?
Yeah.
Is that? What is that?
I don't know. Taste it.
I think it's cream. Or is it cheese?
Is it cream cheese?
Oh, maybe.
What's the ice
What the fuck is this? Oh yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Take your man. Arm. Happen.